Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HV contactor behavior during charge and start, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials for the verification process. Ensure you have a multimeter, safety gloves, and personal protective equipment ready. Make sure the HV contactor is safely isolated from the power supply before starting any work. Check the manufacturer's documentation for specific details regarding your HV contactor's model. With the power supply turned off, visually inspect the HV contactor for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure all connections are secure and free from corrosion or debris. Set your multimeter to the appropriate voltage setting. Reapply power to the system, ensuring all safety precautions are in place. Measure the supply voltage at the input terminals of the HV contactor. Confirm that the measured voltage matches the expected supply voltage. Next, check the control circuit by measuring the voltage at the coil terminals. Actuate the contactor using the control mechanism while monitoring the voltage. Ensure the multimeter reads a constant voltage when the contactor is energized. Listen for an audible click or check for any movement in the contactor mechanism. After confirming activation, measure the voltage across the output terminals. This verifies that the contactor is allowing current to pass through correctly. Next, de-energize the contactor and measure the resistance at the output terminals. A high resistance reading indicates that the contacts are opening properly. Document any anomalies or measurements that deviate from expected values. Once verification is complete, power down the system again for the final checks. Remove personal protective equipment and tools from the working area. Review all findings and prepare a report if necessary. This concludes the verification of HV contactor behavior during charge and start. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.